What's up, YouTube? Bro, I gotta walk to Metro PCS to get my camera fixed. We out, bro. I gotta walk up there to get my camera fixed. I mean, to get my phone fixed. My old crusty phone. This one right here. Hold on. This phone right here. I gotta walk up there to get this phone fixed to see if they can fix it. If they can't, I guess I'm on the journey back. I'm on the journey walking back. Because if they can't fix it, it's going to be a problem. It's
emotional damage.
Like, about a couple years old. I mean, it ain't that old. It's like, I say, probably 5 years, around there. Because when I first got it, it was when I traded in my iPhone for a new phone. So, yeah. Hope they can fix it. Because, man. I hope they can fix it. Because if they can't, I might be in some serious trouble. I mean, I got all my business in that phone. I use that phone for when I gotta call moms, everything. If Metro PCS cannot fix my phone, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I don't know what I'm gonna do. What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? Please tell me. What am I gonna do? But yeah, I really don't know what I'm gonna do. Really. This is the real problem. But anyway, like, comment, subscribe, turn the post notifications for you do, and you know what to do. Yo, smash that like button. Anyway, we walking to Metro PCS, just chilling, walking. Y'all see, walking. We walking down to Metro PCS, you feel me? We walking. Yeah, we walking down there in the park, as we going past the park. But anyway, yeah, bro, I hope they can fix my phone because I got a big old dead spot on my screen. At first it was small, but then it became big. Oop, somebody arguing with somebody. Somebody arguing with somebody. But yeah, let's not get into that. But anyway, they cannot fix my phone. Hopefully they can fix it. I mean, she look okay, you know? I'm not judging nobody. Anyway, bro, I hope they can fix my phone though. That's what I'm on the road for. I hope they can fix it. Mom was like, walk up to Metro PCS and see if they can fix your phone. So I'm like, alright, we on the mission then. We on the mission. Cause I'm like, bro, if they can't fix it, I don't know what to do. I don't know what I'm gonna do. What you gonna do? But yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do though. I might be shit out of luck. Yeah, I might be shit out of luck on that one. I don't know. If they can't fix my old phone, I might be shit out of luck. I hope they can fix it though. I'm gonna be honest with you. I hope they can fix it. I mean, it ain't nothing but a dead screen. Hopefully they can fix it though. You know? Hopefully. Oh my God, hopefully they can fix it. If they got to restart it, then Gotta be done. I got all my all my old all my contacts in this phone right here that I'm holding to talk to y'all on. So if they gotta restart it, do what you gotta do. Do what you gotta do. Y'all know, y'all feel me? Do what you gotta do. But yeah, I'm always. Dang, this boy kind of bright, ain't it? Sorry about that, y'all. I can't do nothing about that. It's kind of bright outside. That's just how it is. It ain't me. It's the brightness. But yeah. Bro. Walking up to Metro is like crazy. But that's what I'm gonna do, cause we are on the way. We already almost there. Man, I ate me one of them Twinkie bananas. I'm like, them boys slap. My brother was like, I don't like Twinkie bananas. I'm like, alright. I like Twinkie bananas. Them boys slap. But anyway, yeah, we are on our way up there though. We ain't that far away now. I don't think. Yeah. See? We on our way. Oh no, we way up. It's this way. We way up. We way back here. Took the wrong back street a little bit. Took the wrong back street. Hey y'all. Y'all know I'm talking to y'all. Bro, thanks for coming with me on this journey for me to fix my phone. Man, bro, if they can't do nothing, I'm gonna be whoo. I don't know what to do. I'm actually feel kind of bad if they can't fix it, but man, I hope they can fix it. I'ma just pray on it and hope they can fix it. Hope they can do something. I hope they can do something for it though. She was like, walk up to Metro PCS and see if they can fix your phone. I'm like, I hope they can fix it. That's all I got to say about that. Whew, man. Oh, man. Yeah, I'm gonna have to put y'all down for a minute so I can tie my shoe. I'll be back. What's good, y'all? I'm back. I tie my shoes up. Dogs barking. Dogs barking. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what's going on. But this is where I wish I had a gimbal for some reason. Cause my hand getting tired. I ain't gonna hold y'all. My hand's getting tired. Look at that little green car. But my hand's getting tired. Look. Rose. Bro. My hand getting tired. I'll switch hands for a minute. Switch hands. It's getting tired. It's getting tired. I ain't gonna hold y'all. It's getting tired. It's getting tired. It's getting tired. But we gonna keep moving. We gonna keep moving. My hands getting tired. We gonna keep moving. We gotta watch out for cars and stuff. Watch out for different stuff. Yeah. But we on a journey to see if I can get my phone fixed. So we gonna see if we can get out. We can go see if I can get the phone fixed still. Man. I'm glad I got another one. I got another Twinkie. Yeah. I can't eat it right now. Man, I can't even bust the seal open. Taking a shortcut. Not through the sun. That boy blazing. I'll take a shortcut though. Shortcut. Taking a shortcut through the... No. About to take a shortcut through the... Alright, we... Well, we almost there, y'all. Bro, we almost on deck. We almost there. Almost there. Yo, we almost there. I appreciate y'all for coming with me. We almost there. Almost. Close to it. That junk's something else. But I kind of do hope they can fix it. Please let them fix my phone. Bro, if they can't do nothing, I don't know. I might be hootie hoo. Bro, if they can't do nothing, so we almost there, y'all. We almost there. We like a couple blocks away from the destination. But yeah, hopefully they can fix it and whatnot, you know. And I'm gonna get it all on camera too. Make sure he say what he said. That way, he gonna be on camera. But anyway, we gonna see if he can fix it. But anyway, yeah. Hold on, I don't think, okay. I'm about to say, I don't think they still up here. Hold up. Is they still up here? Which building was it? I don't even remember. I think it was one of them two. Hold up. Like hold up. Let me ask around real quick. Let me ask somebody and see if the Metro PCS store is still up here or not. If it's not, I walked here for nothing. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. Scoot through. But let me go see if it's still open. I mean, it's still up here. That's what I gotta go see. Cause it say it's there, but you know how people is. Let me go see. Hold on, y'all. So, yeah, they said that's a no on the stuff. I mean, on the Metro PCS store, basically. The Metro PCS store up there was basically condemned, closed, whatever you want to call it. It was closed. So we couldn't make it, unfortunately. But yeah, I guess I gotta go to a different one. I knew that one was gonna be closed though. I had a funny feeling. I'm like, man, that break gonna be closed. Not even gonna be open. But anyway, I mean, it was a good walk though. Don't get me wrong, it was a good walk. But now I gotta go to somewhere else. Man, oh man. Oh man, I was trying to get my phone fixed today. Hopefully, at least I thought I was. But the Metro PCS store I went to was closed forever. So, yeah, what you gonna do? But I'm in the wrong area, so I gotta take a turn down this street right here. Unfortunately. Jake. Gotta take a turn. Well, I missed you at this. But I know where I'm going though, so it's no real problem for me. Blah da da, do 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 do, blah. But maybe I gotta go to a different Metro PCS. That's why. Probably the one down by where I'm used to live. That one. That's the one I was thinking of. But I was like, dang, bro, that would be a long walk. Now that's a long walk. That is a long walk. I'm telling you. Woo, woo. She's like, go to get your phone fixed. That boy ended up being closed out. That boy ended up being closed down though. So I'm like, damn. Woo, woo. I got a good walk in, but still, like I ended up not being able to get my phone fixed. Cause I went up to the wrong, well, not the wrong spot. It wasn't like, well, it wasn't the wrong spot. It was just the wrong, basically the wrong spot. But yeah, I did want to get my phone fixed. She sent me to the wrong area. Cause she thought it was still open, but it wasn't. But anyway, I'm gonna try that other spot. See if I can get my bro to drive me up there to get it fixed. It's either they gonna say, yeah, we can fix it, or no, it's too old to get fixed. You know how that go. They be like, oh, it's too old. You can't fix that. Ain't no fixing that. And that's exactly what's going. And that's exactly how I think it's gonna go. It's too old. We cannot fix that. So I'm like, damn. Cause the dude was like, no. I was gonna tell it, but I'm like, I think that Island, like, because I had a funny feeling that it was like no longer there. Like just by looking what was there, I had a funny feeling that it wasn't there no more. I don't know why they closed it, but they did. I'm like, they closed that place down. I had a funny feeling they did though. For some odd reason I did. For some odd reason. I don't know why I did, but I did. I had a funny feeling that I did. That they closed it down. Like, on a serious note. But yeah, we almost back. It didn't take long. Couple minutes. That's about it. I see the park. We almost back. But that's how I know, you know, when we almost back. Skirt. B-roll. About to get some B-roll though. You know. I mean I ain't got no music, but I'll put some music with it later. But anyway. Yeah, I mean that was a good walk though, but still. It's like, dang. You can't get no what's in there? I don't know. I'm like, B-roll. But anyway, I'll put some music with it later. That was some good B-roll. I'll put some music with it later. So I tried to tell her that, like, that place up there on what's in there? Nah. And I'm gonna tell it when I come to the house too, like, hey, that place closed. They closed that boy down. But I don't know what reason. Maybe they wasn't getting enough. Maybe they wasn't getting enough business. Places closed for that too. Maybe they moved the location. That too. But yeah, we gonna see when we get there. Man, it's always something. Can't catch a break. Try to, but can't. Try to, but can't. But yeah, I try to though, you know. Oh man. But anyway, yeah. But I ain't gonna put nobody else on camera, it's just me. But anyway, since we almost back to the house, like thank you for coming with me. You know, subscribe, turn on post notifications if you're new, and you know what to do? Smash that like button. Comment down below. Share this video. And you know what to do. Scooby-Doo. But anyway, this is Switch Verse 28 saying peace out. And thanks for joining the Switch Nation. Peace out. Let me see. It's my phone. Let me see. Think if it's my phone. Let me see. Let me see if my message is my phone. Hello.
How can I help you?
I was trying to see if y'all can do anything about my phone. It's got a big old dead spot, and I can't press like none of my buttons on my phone or nothing.
Oh, it's a liquid damage, brother.
No. That actually happened when I dropped it one time, and now I can't press none of the buttons.
Yeah, its sensor got messed up. Sensor is messed up. You need to replace the whole screen.
Y'all can't fix it?
No, we don't fix that. But it's you have a Metro? Okay, this is a Alcatel, right?
I think so.
Yeah. If you want to upgrade, let me show you. You get cheap price. Like this phone is only 89, 32 gig, right? With upgrade. And if you want to like a little bigger with a double memory, this is like